How to create a type pattern such as this in Photoshop. The key tool, libraries, and the extract from image. Create a design, any text design, and use that to create a pattern. Go to the horizontal type tool and create some type. I'm just going to go with A, B, C, D, etc. Set the font, set the size, and once you've done that, what you need to do, go to Layer and go down to Layer Style and Gradient Overlay. And you can add a gradient very quickly using this approach. Simply go here to Gradient Overlay and set the gradient. I'm going to go with one of the legacy gradients. And of course you can move it around, reposition it. I'm going to go for blue all the way through red, orange and yellow. And click OK. Once you're happy with your text, go to the Layer menu and Flatten Image. Then go to your Libraries panel and down the bottom you can see a little plus. Just click there and you can see Extract from Image. And the default patterns, you can see it straight away. You've got this lovely pattern. You can reposition it, just simply move it around. Now if you go too far, you'll notice you end up with some transparency. You can see the transparency there. But I'm just going to go for about there. Once I'm happy, click Save to CC Libraries. You can reposition it again. And you think, oh, that looks great, save to library. You can also select other pattern types. So just click here and then reposition that. And again, save to your library. You can also go for black and white. So just go here, colours, and there's grayscale. So use that, save to your CC library and close. And you can see now you've got your captured patterns. If you go to your patterns panel, you'll notice that those patterns you've just created, they're not stored there yet. What you need to do is you need to go to your library panel and right click, and you can then create a pattern preset, or simply click that pattern design. And once you've done that, you've got a pattern layer. You can then click the little plus. I'm going to use this pattern. So click it. Straight away, you get your pattern. As mentioned, you need to click here if you want to save it as a pattern preset. Because if you click here, the pattern's not there. So click here. And as soon as you've done that, you can see now you've got your pattern preset. Now you can change the scale. So I'm just going to go say 50 or maybe go for 10. And you can see your pattern. You can also move it around, reposition it and click OK. Once you're happy with it, simply go to Layer and then Flatten Image. If you want to add another pattern, go to the Libraries panel and again click, and that will add it as a pattern fill layer. You can still continue to move it. You can reposition it, change the scale and angle, and also you can add it to your pattern presets by clicking plus and click OK. So once you've finished with that, what you can do, you can go to the Layer menu and you convert it to a smart object, or simply go to Flatten Image and then maybe apply filter effects to that. Now I've created a very basic type image. What you can do, of course, is you can create infinitely more complex type images, maybe different fonts, different styles, different effects applied to them, multiple layers, different blends, all kinds of different designs, and all can be turned into a pattern by using that extract feature. Very useful. Simply go to that Libraries panel, go down the bottom to that plus, click there and use different pattern types. Now I even use just the basic pattern type. There's 5 types, just try them out. All can be saved to your libraries and all can then be accessed, of course, in future and used as patterns, or even used as sources for other material such as brushstrokes even. Well, I hope you found this video of interest. Any questions about patterns, about the type, how to combine them in multiple ways, also about the libraries and the extract command, please let me know in the comments below. Also, created thousands of videos about Photoshop, about type and patterns and all those sort of things on my Graphic Extras channel. Please check that out, as well as on this channel as well. So please subscribe to it. Always adding new videos all the time. Also, a like or dislike as well. Always appreciated. Thank you much.